feature.
Mercedes-Benz Maybach S Class S 580.
Ultimate luxury cars such as the Mercedes-Maybach S 580 offer the world's wealthiest a place to rest their weary heads on the commute between their rooftop helipad and their Hamptons estate. These ultra-high net worth individuals can choose between twin-turbo V8 or V12 powertrains. Engine, transmission, and performance. Under the hood of every S580 sedan is a 496 HP twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, which is augmented by a 48-volt hybrid system. Going with the S680 swaps in a 621 HP 6.0-liter V12. All models will come with Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. The Maybach styling is rather subtle compared to flashier entrants in the ultra-high luxury category, including the blinged-out Rolls Royce Phantom and Ghost. This more subdued look allows the S-Class to navigate through traffic without drawing unwanted attention. Air suspension and an active sound cancellation system are both standard in the new model, which helps the car deliver a silky, ultra-quiet ride. The S-Class also offers rear-wheel steering, which should help with navigating this big sedan through tight city streets. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Maybach S-Class has a 7-inch longer wheelbase than the already large, Benz-branded S-Class sedan, which provides even more stretch-out space inside its leather-lined cabin. So many luxury features are standard in the Maybach we couldn't possibly list them. But all models will come with exquisite leather on virtually every interior. Surface 64. Color interior ambient lighting system, heated and ventilated front seats with massage and 4-position memory settings. Maybach can add the optional Executive Rear Seat Plus package, which includes rear seat folding tables, an extended center console, additional rear seat wood trim, and temperature-controlled cup holders. The Maybach S-Class offers a portfolio of standard driver assistance features. Traditionally, the S-Class is the model in which Mercedes offers groundbreaking tech features first. For more information about the S-Class's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.